welcome back to my channel. So today you get to see this one, Ivan's faster cousin. Sorry, crabbers. No, you get to see him underneath. So my plan today is I'm going to take him over to my other workshop, which is literally just there, and stick him up on the ramp, have a look underneath, and fingers crossed he's not hiding anything we don't already know about. So we'll look at that. So stay tuned for that, guys. The other update, the premises, it looks like it might be delayed a little bit. Obviously, we've got the keys, but until we've signed that dotted line and I've got that lease in my hand, there's not really anything I can do in regards to progress in the actual premises itself. So, but saying that, we have had people in touch. So a few local tradesmen have been in touch and asked if they can come and have a look round, come and have a measure up, see what my ideas are, see if they can help in any way. So a couple have been on site, they've measured up, excellent. They've had some superb ideas, chuffed to bits with that. So thank you guys, really appreciate your time. We have a bathroom donated, so I will have a nice, clean, shiny toilet with a sink and vanity unit, thanks to one of my followers. Really grateful again, thank you, because that's disgusting. That really is. So, yeah, chuff with that. Thank you very much. And what else have I got to report? Loads of different ideas, really. Advice that's coming in. I'm really grateful. I appreciate all of your views, all of your suggestions. Some of them are ace, they really are. So, yeah, we've had a few chuckles. So, thanks for that, guys. Thanks for your advice. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention, for those of you who do follow me on Twitter, you may have seen that people are engaging now regarding the sepsis. Obviously, we're trying to raise awareness as well as trying to raise money for the charity. Now, it's difficult because it's such a difficult thing to speak about when you've been affected. It's heartbreaking. This condition devastates lives. It really does. And so my Twitter followers have probably seen that there is a follower of mine, Andy, who has publicly put on my wall, which is why I will share this with you, basically asking if I could give some sort of tribute to someone that's passed away that was very dear to him. Sadly, Big Steve, as he was known, passed away in January this year. A big, strong, strapping guy. Nothing could beat him, but unfortunately, sepsis did. Now, what I'm trying to do is raise awareness. I'm not trying to upset anybody. I need to raise awareness because not a lot of people know about this condition. And as I said earlier, guys, it devastates lives. It really does. It's a silent killer and it can come on so quick. I told you in my last video, it was 6 hours for me. 6 hours from me feeling quite unwell to multiple organ failure. So, you know, let's raise awareness. So what I'm asking is, anybody, if you want to give a tribute to somebody, send me the details. Send me your story. I will share it at the end of each video. I will try and include as much content as you want to raise that awareness and obviously to pay tribute to your loved one, your friend. You know, they deserve it and everyone deserves to know what the signs and the symptoms are. So if you do want to send your story, if you do want me to share that publicly, then please use the email address that I gave last time, which is autolass.crabbers@gmail.com. Send me the details, send me the photos. I will put it together for you and I will happily, you know, do your tributes within my content to raise awareness for the Sepsis Trust. Sepsis symptoms, let's get the word out, let's save lives. So that was my other idea, feel free to do that. So yeah, we're going to have a look at Igor. I really hope he behaves and he doesn't throw me any curveballs. Because, well, that one over there, trouble in the corner, Yeah, that's... no one puts baby in the corner. I well do with that one. No, we need a name, actually. So you can see the minute is full of character. If anything, the minute is what's gathering the most interest. Probably because they're laughing, thinking, oh my God, she has got her work cut out. And yes, I have, but it's another car we want to save and show the journey and again showcase skills. So we need a name for the Mini. Any suggestions? Then send them my way. Because obviously they've all got names. Igor, Betty, that one, and Ivan. You all know they've got names, so yeah. He, she, I mean at the moment it's HRT, but that's not always, you know, suitable, especially for the guys. So that's that. What else have I got to report? So yeah, another thing I wanted to mention, obviously my work has to continue. So I do have my own business. I have my own workshop, just literally across the way there. That has to take priority because that is what's going to fund this. So this is going to be a slow process, guys, and obviously at the minute especially. But as soon as we are up and running, it's probably going to be weekends. It's the only time I'm going to get. But I am more than willing to give my weekends up for this cause, for this charity. Obviously, that's what I'm going to do. So, but please, you know, bear with me because I do have to run my business as well. So, yeah, slow and steady wins the race, and that's what we're going to do. So, thanks, guys. Let's get this one over there and hope he bloody well behaves himself. See you doing it. Okay guys, so here he is up on the ramp. I'm going to apologise for any background noise. I cannot help it, unfortunately. It is so windy, and if I have the doors down it's even louder because it's rattling my doors around. So I apologise, I've had to go up the doors open. It turns out that's the easiest way. So I wanted to show you Igor on the ramp. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I knew he would need some work, but in honesty, it's better than we thought. So, first issue we have is binding brake, massively stuck. Now, I knew there was an issue with the brakes from when I went on a test drive with Crabbers. And he didn't want to stop, so that was fun. Luckily the handbrake's good, so we were okay. So that's the first issue. Second issue I have is, I'll show you properly up there. I'll send him up in a minute so you can have a proper look. So yeah, we knew there was a bit of a corrosion as well going on, but that is a little bit worse than I expected, but nothing major. It's all doable, guys. He's an old man, don't forget this. So we're going to redo that patch of welding, tidy it up a little bit. But again, nothing major there. So then we have in here, don't know if you can see that there, there's a little bit of welding on the inner wing. Again, nothing that's concerning me at all. Tyres aren't bad. This wheel, nice and free. No playing anything. Coming round the back. Ah, bless him. Not bad. So, let's have a look. Not bad. Not bad at all. So this tyre, I've been looking for a date mark on this tyre because it is mega old. It must be. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. But yeah, that's going to have to be changed, guys. Another patch of welding there that I am going to redo. Bit of corrosion on the inner, on the arches. This inner wing's not too bad. And then sill is better on this side. Still a little bit, but nothing major. I'm not overly concerned again. Inner arch on this one. Happy days. Tyre on this one's good. So I'm sorry it's a bit raw, this video. Everyone else has gone home, but I just wanted to show you around to see what we're looking at where I go is concerned. So I keep you updated, and that is the plan. So I'm here all alone, so I'm filming, trying to turn the wheel and do everything on my own. So nice and free there, guys. Just bear with me a second. Let me just turn this round. So the reason I wanted to show you this, so you can probably see there. Now, grease on a classic car for me is always a good thing. There's no play in any of the suspension components, and he has been greased up over the years, which has helped him hugely. So yeah, I'm chuffed to bits. Not bad at all. So I'll send him up and we'll have a look underneath. Okay, so I'll start at this side and work my way round. So that was the welding I was telling you about there. So we've got a bit of a hole there. That's why I've had to put the block under the rail on that one, on this side. But it's doable, guys, completely. And as I said earlier, he's an old man. So that is not an issue, but obviously it needs addressing, so we will sort that. Rest of the sill isn't bad. Again, we'll do that, we'll redo that patch. So underneath, I've got to show you this. So the exhaust is literally hanging on for dear life. And don't know, maybe previous owner, or is it you, Classic Wheels Wales, has look at that repair. Wire around the filler neck. Yeah, man, loving that. So that needs a little bit of attention. Nothing major, seen worse. So the tyre, let me show you. Let me find out where it's worse. Hang on a sec, guys. So can you see those cuts there? Some of them are to the cords. This is an old tyre. There you go. Can see them a bit better there. And so new tyre. Now, a lot of this, I've had a bit of a poke, bit of a scrape, and a lot of this is surface rust. So don't be disheartened. The cobwebs come free. Oh, good. Brake pipes look amazing, which is great. So let's have a look. Not bad. Not bad at all. He's a little superstar. So yeah, look at my finger marks there. Good God. Happy days. Bit of an oil leak. But hey, modern cars come out the showroom with a bloody oil leak these days, don't they? So, yeah, good stuff. Chuffed to bits. Not bad at all. Oh, bless. So that's what we've got to work with, guys. Not a massive amount of work to do. Anything that does need doing, you know that I will do it. I will show you everything that's been done, everything that I plan to do. And this car will make a fantastic starter car, starter classic for some lucky person. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. That tiny prop shaft, bless. Oh, look in. So yeah, happy guys, really happy. Okay, so I'm just going to show you in the boot. Nice and solid in there. Just what you want. Really clean. Look at that. Superb. So there is here this cover on the other side. It's missing. However, we found this, which is, God, it's so difficult filming on your own. So, which is the cover, the missing cover. Now look at that, from British Leyland, and the date is there, 6th of the 6th, 94. How awesome. Still in the back of the car. So yeah, we'll fit that. There's a few other bits and bobs, the caliper kit there that I think Mike ordered. So yeah, really happy about that. No real work needed there. Oh, one thing actually, spare wheel. So spare wheel is missing, guys. Anybody who's got one, please get in touch, because obviously I'm not going to let this car go without a spare wheel. Okay, so all good under here, all solid. Not really any corrosion under here. Obviously you've got your surface corrosion, but that's to be expected on any car really, isn't it? Especially one this old. 1.7 engine, much to Crabber's disgust. Ivan's faster cousin. Let's start him up, eh? Let's do it. Okay. Let's give him a bit of choke. Only a bit, you know. He starts good. Oh. Can't say fairer than that, can you, really? Let's see if we can get him to tick over nicely. Bit of choke there. Come on. That's it. Perfect. Yeah, really pleased. So that's what we've got to work with, guys. He runs sweet. Doesn't need loads of work. It's all doable. It's all possible. And yeah, please follow our journey and follow our cause, support our cause. Please stay tuned as well. We need to raise awareness for sepsis, and this is one of the methods that I'm going to use to do that. So spread the word, guys, and let's help to save some lives. Cheers.